11 plus 11 equals to 8. 13 plus 13 equals to 16. 15 plus 15 equals to 24. 18 plus 18 equals to 36. 20 plus 20 equals to which number will come? Did you know? Let's find out the solution. First, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Math Tutor. Was still and 11 plus 11 equals to 8. First take 11 equals to convert 1 plus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Please do subscribe for more videos like this. Next one, take 11. 11 equals to, same way, take 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Here results are added. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Here 8. Multiply with 2 equals to 8. So first one is correct. Next one is 13 plus 13 equals 16. In the same way, 13 take 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Next one is also 13. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Results are added. 4 plus 4, 8. Multiply with 2 equals to 16. Same way, next one is correct. Next one is 15. Take 15 equals to 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Next one is 15 equals to 1 plus 5 equals to 6. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Multiply with 2 equals to 24. Next one is also correct. Next one is 18. 18 plus 18. 18 take 18 equals to 1 plus 8 equals to 9. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 multiplied with 2 equals to 36. Also correct. In the same way, similarly, take 20 equals to 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 20 equals to 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Multiply with 2. 4 to 8. So answer is 8. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.